Hi, y'all. Congratulations, you have selected volunteer work. So, obviously, the first thing you did was open video introduction because you're watching me, okay? The next thing you do is open up volunteer work, the document. All right, volunteer work. This group's job is to create virtual and/or in-person service events to benefit our school, community, city, world, whatever. Okay. This can range from fundraisers, item collections, coordinate events like trash pickup, anything you can think of. Warning, okay? You guys have a warning. Please don't get discouraged about possible low attendance or participation, especially in these times, okay? Just always remember, if even one person benefits from it, then you made a difference, all right? So even if you end up being the only person, which won't happen, but even if you're the only one who attends this event or participates, someone is going to benefit from that, and that's what's important. Okay, you paid it forward, you did your good deed. All right. So, to do this, we need to generate some ideas in this graphic organizer. The first thing you do is write a brief overview of your idea, and then we will leave comment feedback. Mr. Weatherall and I will leave comment feedback on if and how we move forward. You obviously need to include the date. Your name goes here, or the person who is in charge of that event. So like maybe you're shy or it's just an idea you have, but you don't really want to be in charge of it. You could leave this blank, and then someone could take it over. It's up to you, okay? And then finally, team members. So who is going to help put this idea on? Keep in mind the leader is the person in charge. They make final decisions directly underneath me and Mr. Weatherall. So these team members, you cannot nominate people, okay? They can sign up, but you can't be like, hey, Stacy, I'm going to make you do this, okay? It simply doesn't work like that. So yeah, that's about it. Volunteer work is pretty self-explanatory. Even if you think something's a bad idea or maybe we won't be able to make it happen, there's always the possibility. So believe in yourself, all right? We got this. Let's get those ideas moving. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please let us know. Good luck.